Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be styling this dress that I just purchased. The brand is Old Navy. All right, and I just feel like you all know I'm all about restyling my outfit. So when I purchased it, I was like, oh, I could style this so many ways. So what I'm thinking about to do about this dress is to style it for fall season. If I can style it in many other ways, you all will see it in this video. I have an idea of how to style it that you can wear it summertime, wintertime, fall time, spring. You all know the fall season, right? So that's what I'm going to be doing today. If today is your first time coming across my channel and you like my content, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. If you don't know it, now you know it. This channel is all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. Do you all like my glasses? Yeah. They are prescription glasses by Feto. I don't know if you have seen the video before, but I will leave the link in the description box. This company, they are into very affordable, stylish, chic glasses, sunglasses. You can have your prescription done. You can have blue light glasses to protect you from all this light as a content creator, and you're using your laptop and you know all those lights on our eyes. Anyway, this part of this video is not sponsored by them. I'm just doing my thing because I feel like I look cool with these glasses. So I just want to introduce you to it. Anyway, I will let you see the rest of the video. If you're interested in Feto brands, I will leave the video, the link in the description box. I can't talk today. I can't really talk. I've been doing this particular one over and over again. Like, please do let me know. Please do let me know. But anyways, it is what it is. Sometimes you just can't talk, right? Anyway, please let me know in the description box which one. Again, I did it. Please let me know which of this outfit it's your favorite in the comment section. And please do like this video, give me a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. Maybe they will find it interesting too. Thank you all so much for watching, and without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and style this outfit in so many ways that I can come up with. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all at the end of this video. So this is the dress we are working with today. It has an adjustable strap right here that you can use it to adjust it to fit. Also, it has elastic band at the back. I don't know if you all can see it. Let me move there. And it's just like A-line shape of a dress, and it does have a slit right here. I slitted on the side. It's very free, very summery, like it's very chic and stylish as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start styling it, and along the way I can probably just chip in here and there to let you know what I'm styling it with. Otherwise it's going to be self-explanatory, so I don't need to really talk. That's what I meant. So this is it's a polka dot design. I don't know if you can see it. It has this polka dot going on, white, and the dress is beige. So it's beautiful. I like it. Very feminine as well. So let's see how many ways I can style this. Like I said, we are getting mileage for this dress, you know, getting the worth of your money. That's all about me. Like, seriously, like, you don't have to break the bank to look good, to be honest. You just have to know how to style your thing and you're good to go.
Wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you're gone because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you're gone because it's sent from. She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, would you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, oh the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you, I'll always have you. Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Ay, Mr. DJ, song on the replay. be my only friend. You told me that they can't understand me. I am, so why are we here talking to each other again? Is it true that I'm not the only one? Is it true that you're just having fun with my heart? With my heart. Hello out there, can you hear me? Send SOS immediately. Hello out there, can you hear me? Send SOS immediately. Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it.
So ladies, I'm going to be turning the dress into a skirt, and I'm going to be styling it with this top. So let's see how it's going to turn out. All right, this just came into my mind while I was filming, so let's see.
It is when you leave, so I can't breathe. Baby girl, you bad. Girl, the way you whine, I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. On the low, on the low, on the low, on the low. Blow my mind, blow my mind. Your body just blow my mind, blow my baby. Blow my mind, blow my mind. You just blow my mind, blow my mind. You know belong for part, one of your kata. Malkia.
So ladies, this is the last style. With this style, I would recommend you should use a skirt that is not transparent, so that the polka dots will not show through, because we are making this dress into a camisole top, so we can wear our skirt under it and still look, you know, very chic and very comfortable at the same time. So this is the last one. This is how I styled the last outfit. Like I said, make sure the skirt you're using is not transparent, so that people won't be able to see the polka dot through, and they will probably know that that is a dress that you turn into a camisole top. So this is it. I love all the way I styled them. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna put a like a lace kind of bumper jacket on top of this one for you all to see. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Which one is your favorite styling? Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
Baby girl, you bad. Girl, the way you whine, I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. On the low, on the low, on the low, on the low.